Hi friend, today I show you the how to check the resistance by multimeter. This is one resistance has been fitted with the both terminals of the multimeter, and this one is the range from 20 ohms to the 200 mega ohms. And first we have routed the same one, but the reading is not there. And when the limit will be come up to the resistance, then it will be shown. This is the shown. This is the below the 200 ohms. So this is the process for the checking of the resistance, and 5% will be margin for the resistance reading in the multimeter. Till date, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for when we upload new videos, then the notification received.